Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the nose hair filter on TikTok. Obviously, once you have this filter on TikTok, you'll be able to record a video of yourself with this filter and share it on any social media that you would like to, like Instagram or Snapchat or anything like that. Now, it's really easy to get this filter. All you have to do is head over to TikTok and open that up. Once you're on TikTok, you want to make sure you're on the Discover tab at the very bottom here. Once you're on the Discover tab, you just want to go up to the very top to the search and just type in nose hair. Once you type in nose hair, you'll see there is an effects tab at the very top that pops up. Once you see that, you just want to go ahead and click on that. And then all you have to do is add to favorites. Once that is added to favorites, you will then have it added to your favorite filters whenever you go make a new video on TikTok. So you're able to create a video very easily. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get the nose hair filter on TikTok. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.